Welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to jailbreak Claude Sonnet 4.6. This is a new and working jailbreak, so let's look into it. First thing you are going to do is copy the prompt, which the link is in the pinned comment. Now go over to Claude, click your profile and click Settings. Under Instructions for Claude, paste in the prompt. Click Save Changes. Now it is jailbroken. Let's ask it to create a keylogger to test. If you try this and it shows this kind of text, it is jailbroken. As you can see, it created a keylogger, which it normally wouldn't do. If we ask it to create CS2 aimbot, it will sadly decline, but it will still give us demo code that works. If we type in menu, it shows you the menu of things it can do. By the way, at the beginning of your chat, if you want to check if the jailbreak is working, type in axiom start. If this does not work, the jailbreak has sadly been patched by Anthropic. There are also other triggers like this that you can find in the prompt, or you can just pause the video. There are some more commands, which you can pause the screen to see all of them. We can choose one of the commands and then ask it to create it, and it will do it. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe.